Hello everybody, welcome to OPPO Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to restore messages icon to home screen on OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So basically, if you had a messages app icon right here and you deleted it by accident, don't worry, you haven't deleted it completely from your device, but just from your home screen. And now it is in your app drawer, so to restore it, swipe up right here and scroll all the way down here to messages. Click and hold it, wait a second, and just set it up on the previous place. And basically that's it. That's how you restore a messages icon to home screen on your OPPO A6 Pro. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.